Wait. Look, he's in the back. Walking 3 dogs. It's not the easiest thing. Oops, I just crashed into a tree. We are walking dogs while I am in pajamas. Really? Conga, are you peeing? Conga have to go to pee-pee? You just want to do something with the grass. Dexter. Cashew nuts. We're going to walk to the corner and back. Because I have on pajamas, remember that. I don't want to call attention to the fact that I am outside in pajamas walking the dogs. Everyone did number 2 so far except for Rogers. Can you tell who the alpha is? This is pretty easy to tell. Oh, well, it certainly isn't me. Are you going to finally go poopy, Rogers? Roger, go poopy. Really, Conga? Really? Oh, really? You just got that over there. Really, Conga? You're not even big enough to do that. We're not going around the corner, Rogers. We can walk on the other side of the street home. Nope, we're not going around the corner. Come on. I have no say-so, do I?